Okay, welcome back. Not welcome back. Welcome to Lizzie Barnett's channel. Except there is obviously a very big difference here, and that is that this is not Lizzie Barnett talking. It's me, your boy. This is Jake, at This Is Jake on Twitter. No, oh my god, that's not even my at. Hold on. _ This Is Jake on Twitter, at _ This Is Jake _ on Instagram, and it's just This Is Jake on YouTube. Basically, she's asked me to edit and talk over this video for you guys, give my commentary. I haven't seen any of these clips yet, so this is my raw reactions. You know, it's not scripted or any of that stuff, so yeah, we're just gonna get on with it really and see what the frick is happening in this.
Editing Jake, this is the...
Oh, this isn't the intro. This isn't the intro, guys. This is not the intro! Oh wait, no, do you swear? I mean poop. So
I've already just primed my face with a spray and a moisturiser, and basically I'm not going to use an actual primer, but I'm going to use the W7 Beam Me Up Illuminator Drop.
Okay, pause. I don't know what the frick is going on right now. I don't watch beauty gurus. I don't know what a primer is. I mean, if you've seen our video that we did together where I did her makeup, I think you'll know that I don't really have any experience with it. I've never really touched the stuff, so... Anyway, let's continue, I guess, even though I'm so confused.
What colour? Oh, Volcano. These are in the colour Volcano. I don't know what the colours mean, but these were very kindly gifted to me at Hangout Live. So
promo. I'm kidding. I wish I could even go to an event, but you know, whatever.
They make your skin look so much glowier.
Glowier. That's not a word.
These lights behind me aren't twinkling in real life.
That's very strange, Lizzie. Thank you for pointing that out.
I hope that's not going to give anyone a seizure.
You're giving me a seizure. Was that too mean? I don't know. This is such good content. Wow. This is 10 minutes long. This one clip is 10 minutes long. She sent me like 20 clips. What? How am I supposed to do this? Oh god. This is more work than I thought it would be.
I'm that pale, so...
Did you just drop it?
I'm just going to whack that.
Clumsy person.
This is a bit dark.
Does it annoy you guys that I'm talking over her? Because I don't really care. Maybe I'll just mute her. Let's mute her from this point on. I could lip read. Oh my god, I haven't done it. Wet. Damp, diamond. Jesus Christ. Lizzie's actually gonna hate me. Oh well.
To conceal, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection in the shade Zero Extra Fair because my skin is that pale.
I could never do makeup.
So, I'm just whacking this on spot.
Like, imagine having to wake up every day and do this. No thanks. I don't think so. It's a no from me, mate.
I do more spots in winter than I do in summer. So if anyone is...
Apparently it's out of order. Oh my god.
Do let me know.
I just dropped my phone on my MacBook. Oh. Had a Nando's earlier, was peng. You're gonna hate me for this. I got mango and lime spice. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. Basically, got mango and lime, chicken wrap, grilled chicken. Love it. The thing about spices, right? I don't want to burn my tongue. I want to enjoy the flavouring, right? So yeah. I also got chips. And a bottomless drink, of course, because you can't go wrong with that, can you? Except I never feel like I pay enough for it. Do you know what I mean? Like, you pay, I don't know, £3 for a bottomless drink. It's like, I need to get my value out of it. I only had one refill. So it's like, did I get my value? I don't think I did. I also got a new wallet. It's really, like, wide, though, so I don't know what to think about that. What am I doing? Okay, I need to get back to this video, lol. Bermuda Triangle, Illuminati. Oh, makeup scares me, I'm not going to lie.
There's one.
Look at how close she is to her eye, Jesus. Is this really what I'm doing with my life right now? Guys, I have uni assignments.
Make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Jake, please. His link will be in the description.
Yes, do it.
Here. He has probably done a great job. I don't know what this looks like yet. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another video.
Bye. Thanks for letting me do this, Lizzie.
Intro, Jake. Intro.
Oh god, it's the intro. Oh my god, what?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here
YouTube
with
is so scripted.
tutorial video.
What the heck?
Because
Anyway, see you guys later, bye.